Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. Today I'm going to show you how I do my DIY at-home pedicure. This is a great way to not only save money but to also pamper yourself at home. So I'm starting off with my feet that I haven't done for about 2 to 3 weeks. This pedicure does last quite a while, but as you can see I have some crust forming on the back of my heels, which is like a no-go for me. I hate that, so I have to take care of the situation. So this is one of the scrubs that I like to use, which is the Freeman Barefoot Exfoliating Foot Scrub. You can find this at Walmart, but for today I'm going to be using my holy grail scrub that I have recently discovered, which is the Photo Relax Coconut Exfoliating Body Scrub. This is a body scrub, but I use it on my feet also, and I have found that it works wonders. So this is what it looks like. It's like very watery yet thick at the same time. It's a very creative, a very unique, that's the word, type of scrub. It's amazing. It's very thick and it's kind of like salt. It even kind of tastes salty if you get it in your mouth. It's great for not only exfoliating your skin but also adding some hydration and some moisturization to your body and to your feet also. So that's what I'm going to be using for today. I found mine at TJ Maxx and it's only $6.99, so it is an amazing find. I'm going to be taking the Publix non-acetone nail polish remover to remove my previous pedicure that I did the nail polish from my toes before we get started. So now I'm just going to take a small amount of that scrub. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's like sand, and I'm putting that on my feet as they are dry. You use this scrub dry or wet. I like using it in the shower a lot, but when I'm doing my feet, I like to do it dry because it really gets that rigorous type of scrub. When you do it wet, it's more hydrating and moisturizing, and it's softer. So I want something real rough right now. I want it to really get in there, so I'm doing it on dry feet. And I'm also taking a pumice stone that you can also find at Walmart, and I am taking that to really scrub on my heels and around the bottom of my feet to get it nice and smooth. So I went ahead and got in the shower and did my normal body care routine and rinsed all that exfoliating body scrub off of my feet. And as you can see, my heels are nice and smooth now. All that crustiness, that whiteness is gone, and my feet are feeling amazing. So now I'm going to do a foot mask. I'm taking the Be Loose foot mask. It is a nourishing and moisturizing foot mask. These are amazing and they feel so good on your feet. My feet are already soft, but this is going to make my feet feel like a newborn child's feet, like really smooth and soft. So there are 2 booties that come in an individual pack. It comes with 3 pairs actually. You can find these on Amazon. What I do is just cut them in half, and then I open one up, and inside is a lot of like plant essence and all types of goodies that you're basically slipping your foot into. It feels really nice. So I'm just going to wrap that around my foot, and it comes with 2 stickers, as you can see right here. I take one of the stickers off and just secure the top of the boot around my ankle, and then I'm just going to repeat that with the other foot. These things are really good, and you can actually use them like every day if you want to, but I like to use them maybe once or twice a week, and definitely when I'm doing my pedicure routine. So now I'm just going to slip on some house shoes and walk around and do whatever I need to do and leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes. So when you get done after 15 or 20 minutes and remove the booties, this is what it looks like. You have a lot of nice lotion moisturization on your feet, but you do need to rinse that off with warm water. So that's what I'm going to go do. I'm going to add even more moisturization to my feet. I'm going to use the Freeman Barefoot Hydrating Foot Lotion. I love this foot lotion for every single day. If you put it on your feet are ashy. Being black, we get ashy. My feet are one of the most ashiest places on me. So I love using this lotion every single day that I'm wearing sandals or open toe, anything, because it will really just knock that ash out and leave your feet looking very moisturized all day. So for the next step, I know this is a lot of steps, but this is literally what I do when I'm doing my at-home pedicure. Like I said, this does last for a couple weeks, so you don't have to do this all the time, but it's very necessary when you're doing an at-home pedicure. So I'm taking what's called a cuticle pusher. I can also link this in the description box below. It came in the set with the pumice stone. It's a whole little foot care set that I love to use, but I'm pushing back my cuticles, and I'm also like scraping all the dead skin off of my toenails. When you get a pedicure at a actual salon, you might notice them doing this, like scraping along your toenails and around your toenails. And a lot of dead skin does really come off, so I love doing this. You don't want to put nail polish on top of all that dead skin. It won't look as nice, so this step is very, very necessary. And I'm also using the other side to actually push my cuticles back to expose them, and it'll shape your nail, just make it look a lot more clean and nice. Now I'm going to take the Deco Miami Cuticle Oil. This is in Lemon Blossom. Smells so good and it's so cute, and this really just hydrates your toenails. It's a cuticle oil. When you go to the salon, they put a cuticle oil on your nails or on your feet, and they just let that really sink in, or they might ask you to wash your hands after they put this on there, and that oil will just be left over on your nails, just making them nice and moisturized. And yeah, so I just let that sink in for about 15 minutes, and then I move on to painting my nails. I love using OPI. You cannot really use a cheap nail polish when you're doing an at-home manicure or pedicure. You have to actually splurge on some good nail polish, because if not, of course, it's going to peel, it's going to flake, the nail polish will not last. I have found out of every single nail polish that I've tried that OPI lasts the longest, and white is my favorite, especially for summer, because it's just a great color. It's bright, and it just makes your nails look nice and clean and classy and chic. So I'm using the white OPI nail polish. I'll have the exact name of it in the description box below. You can find it at Walmart, Amazon, anywhere really. It is a bit pricey, but it's worth it, especially if you're doing an at-home type of thing that you want to last for weeks. So what I do first is just a nice messy layer. I'm horrible at painting my nails, so do not judge me. I'm doing a nice like little messy layer, and I'm going to go back and clean it up, so don't worry. After I do the first layer, I go back in with another layer, and I just keep going until it looks perfect. And once again, I'm not going to worry about any mistakes that I made, because as you can see coming up, I'm going to show you how I clean up my mistakes. So to clean up my mistakes, I take a Q-tip and that Publix non-acetone nail polish remover once again, and I take that Q-tip and dip it into the nail polish remover, and I clean up around the outside of my nails, and that will make it so any mistakes that you made get erased. So that's it, guys. That's all that I do for my DIY at-home pedicure routine. Whether you're wearing some open-toed high-heeled sandals or some flat sandals or just some cute little slides, you'll be ready to go outside, and your feet will be ready to be seen with no embarrassments. And not only that, they will be sexy and soft to the touch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box below for all the products that I use. And I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!